Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used this Love You Low Key palette from BH Cosmetics. I picked it up last night whenever I ran to Ulta to return a lipstick. And this is what it looks like. It's obviously upside down because I'm trying to cover up the mirror. I also picked up the Looking Like a Snack. It has the plastic on it, so it's more like pinks and it's got like a glittery black shade in it. So I really do like the way that this look turned out. I thought the shades were super easy to work with. I love BH Cosmetics. I feel like they always put out really good products, you know, for drugstore makeup. So definitely check them out if you haven't tried it. Again, my daughter's playing in the background, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so that was it. Like I said, definitely check out these palettes if you haven't tried them out yet. They were only $9 a piece, so that's really affordable and you get really good quality. But, I mean, I think that is just so cute. And I thought the packaging was just adorable. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.